Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
But it's not good afternoon, sorry. Good morning. So, where's my turn?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
So, ma'am, can you tell me that what can be done by religious books?
There's a lot of things we can get by religious books. First is that how can we survive in our life? That there is a lot of difference as we face many times that there is a lot of thing we face in our life. That if we get religious educations, that time we can easily solve it. That as we know about that there's if we are talking about the Mahabharat has full of education. That if we learn educations, if we learn Mahabharat, that time we can say that yes, I can do this and I can survive easily
Okay,
in our life.
As you told, a lot of benefits to study religious books. So, why the government is not thinking that it should be our priority that we should give priority to religious books except of the study books like science, like maths, Hindi, English.
As we are studying, it's a secondary stage,
Yeah.
and we are also studying in a secondary educations. That it should be. When if we are talking about the primary education, it is a religious book. If our government give religious education, give priority for religious education, that time there is a lot of there is a three and four types person who lives in our country. That it's Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and Hindu. That if they try to give first priority of religious book, that time we can say that yes, I am Hindu, I want to learn Sanskrit. But someone says that no, I am Muslim, Mohammedan, that I want to learn Quran.
But it can be become saturated that the person who is Hindu, so it can be Ramayana and Mahabharata to them, and who is Muslim, then we can prefer the Quran to the person.
That as we know about that school and colleges is that thing we can't separate to and one another.
And I accept that it should not be that we are defining the students
According to caste.
We can make a mixed book of religious, that we can give the very good education in which we can collect about Quran, Bible, Ramayana, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Then we can collect. So why we are not taking for?
We can collect by this, but sometimes it happened as our government also tried it, but something is happened that who are Hindu, that time they said that
When government tried.
I don't know about that what is the year, but government tried. The government said that I will do this, but it can't be happened because of a religious issue. That time because Hindu people said that we will not accept Quran and Bibles. There is a lot of things, and Muslims said that we can't study Bhagavad Gita.
Okay, can you tell me what we are getting by school education, college education, and we are only going for degrees, for results?
We go only for degrees. When we said that it's a education, it's not an education, it's only a mug-up. We are focused only on syllabus, and we didn't think about all things.
Okay.
If we think about that what is happening in our surrounding, if we try to take any other thing, that time we can't do because we always engage in our syllabus.
So can you tell me what do we get by books? Like when we mug up, when we always live with books. So what do we get?
As we know about that, book is the best for friend and also a teacher. That we can say that we get many things by books. If we are talking about the educations, we also get by educations by book. If we are talking about the religious books and our syllabus books, but it should be happened in our country that if we are learning secondary education, so we should also give priority for our primary educations. Primary educations give us that how can we be a good person in our country, how can we get success, how can we be a good millionaire person.
Okay, suppose that all the education system is in your hand. So what will you do first? Will you give the first priority?
Yes, if it is happen that everything in my control, that time I can try to change our education system. I will give the first priority of first primary schools, that as we know about that what is the condition of our primary schools and also colleges, that there is no education. If we are talking about the
How can you say that there is no education? By the schools, by the college, there are a lot of persons who have got success.
But they try that they always engage in other things, not only for education. If we are engaged in education, that time we can't.
Okay,
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Fine, and you?
I'm also fine. I want to know that about monk life. You know about Brahman life. I want to know about this. Tell me about it.
Mock life.
Yes.
As we know about that, mock life is not a easy life for anyone.
But I
If
want
we-
to know about that.
if
Why they be monk person and what is the reason that what they think, and this is a psychology fact. This is normal process.
Sorry, I have no knowledge about the psychology effect, but I can tell you about the religious fact. What is the reason behind it? That why people be a mock person? If as I read and as I listened many times that there is a religious there is, if you are earth is exist in the world, that time we can say that there is only a one religion. It's only a Sanatan religion. Then we divided it and we said that it's converted in 4 parts. It's Brahman, Kshatriya, Shudra and Vaishya. If we are talking about the Brahman people always engaged in worship, always says that if we want
When Brahman people engage in worship, so what they got by worship? You know that we go. I mean, I'm not saying, and I'm not saying to my God. I also feel that I also worship my God, but I want to say this is imaginary. We don't know about that what is God. We imaginary that this is right picture of God. Still we worship. Why we worship?
everything is connected by our imagine. If we image, that time it happened. If we are not think about that it can't be possible that we can do this. So everything,
So
what we think about that,
Any statue we can worship a stone.
it's a way of worship. That if we worship for any statue, that time we can say that it's a way. If we are talking about our God, that time there is no structure of our God, but we try to give structure for our God. If we are talking about human gave structure for God like human. But if we are talking about, if we are listen,
We worship. I know that when we worship a statue, so we feel good, and we think that God always with us.
With us.
Still, if we worship a person, I mean, a person like you, like me, so I think that if we give 100% for worship, so he will give something. Still, we never think about people. We think about statue. That statue is this statue is God's statue, and I will worship this.
as we know about that, it our custom. It comes from before many times that when our earth made.
You are saying it custom, but we never think that what our parents tell, we follow that. But why we never try to know that what is good? I mean, what is right custom for us?
We
But
try.
we are following.
No, it happened that we always try. We can't deny that we didn't try. We try. We always try to make new customs, but we can't forget our religious, our old custom. So it is a reason that if as we know about that it's we know about that God exists, but we don't know about what is the structure of our God. Though that time we try to give the structure of our God, and then we started worship. If we think there is a lot of
It was not my question. My question was that how we can be more and
why
what
people
is-
make be a mock. As I already told that last time that it is a mock person because people who are a mock person, they always worship, they always engaged with God.
No,
They try.
You are going other way. I want to know that why they be no. I mean, what is the reason? I know that they worship to God. That's why they want. I know why they want.
when will they born? I mean that I can't say that when they born, but according to me, when they born and when they start, when something there is nothing, but there is a nature, there is only nature. So that time they think about that if nature give us, if we are living here, that time there is someone who control it. If I control my family, that time we can think about that there is someone else
But ma'am,
who
if
control
we-
all
if we-
person.
If we be something and if we want to do something, there is also logic. That's why we do this. But my question is this: that what they think they want to be.
I try to tell you that they think about that as I control my family, so there is also someone who control all earth. We are living here. There is a lot of things which is present here. What is present here? So as we know about that if we think about the all things, natural thing, that is the tree, air. So why it happen? Why it why we can't see?
Okay, can you give me a suggestion? If I want to be a more person, so what should we do, and what is the first step that I can do this?
Firstly, you should know about our religious, that what is our religious. If we have a lack of lack of knowledge, that time we can't say that yes, I can be a mock person. If we don't know, firstly, if we get knowledge about anything.
But my mind always says that you should live in simple life. That there is no relation and type of not family relation, not other relation. You should know. But I want to live alone. So we can say that I can be more.
That time yes, you can say that this, yes, I can be a mock person. You can say that yes, I be a mock person, because if we know about that, if we left everything and we left everything, that time we can say that yes, I am a mock person, because I have no greedy, I have no happiness, I have nothing for anything. If anything is happened in our world, that time I have no feeling for this. That time we can say yes, I am a mock person.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice talking.